Central Maine Power reached out to me yesterday and others looking for some additional help. We put a large contingent of supervisors that head out yesterday to get the command center going and work with some of the contractors that Central Maine Power already has. And this contingent will head up and join those folks that are already there. When we made the ask for our employees to head out during the holiday week, not knowing if they're going to be back for their Christmas, we had many volunteers.
Yeah, the guys are exhausted, but it's a rush. It's a rush being able to, go restore power, help the neighbors, go somewhere different. It's tough. I've got 3, the oldest being 6. It's all they've known, so that helps the cause, and then having a support system at home really makes it work.
I'm really honored. Central Maine Power helped us back in October of 2021. So this is our opportunity to return the favor.
The volunteering to go out of state, leave my family behind to help someone I don't know, I mean, that's it's kind of a pride thing with the job. Part of being a lineman is just knowing that not everyone can do what we can do. So to get out there and be able to help the cause over there and hopefully get everyone on. Christmas morning will just be a little different if we're not back yet. And maybe Santa might come a day or 2 later.